couple that has a ton of fun together and is always laughing. At least one of those couples was probably Nick and Marissa.
Marissa, I love you so much, and I can't wait to party with you for tonight and the rest of my life.
Nick Jordan, I love you more than anything in this world. I am so happy that I have officially married you. Why do you feel so far away? I love you. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. We're gonna have amazing memories and we're gonna make beautiful babies.
Yeah, baby. All right, another.
And you're the handsomest thing that I've ever seen in my entire life.
Aww.
And bow chicka bow bow. Oh.
Yeah.
I can't really spin because then I'll fall again on the dance floor.
Yeah.
That's embarrassing.